way of life I've learned to hate. So I'm going back to a better class of losers. This uptown living really got me down. I need friends who don't pay their bills on home computers, and they buy their coffee beans already ground. You think it's disgraceful that they drink $3 wine? A better class of losers suits me fine. You said the grass is greener on the other side, but from where I stand, I can't see grass at all.